Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can import questions between Google Forms. So here I've already opened an untitled form, a new Google form, and I want to import questions from another existing Google form. So if you want to do the same, just follow these steps right here. First, you can just click on anywhere and you can see there will be on the right side, there will be this little panel. You can find on the second one, there will be this import questions button. You can just tap on that and now you will be asked to select the form that you want to import the questions. For example, I'm going to import question from this one, the assessment. Now you can just tap on insert, and here you can select the question that you want to import into your forms in here. For example, I want to add this one, then this one. Now you can just tap on import questions at the bottom, and just like that, the questions from that form will be inserted to this one. And so that's all, friend. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.